friends and welcome back to your channel House to Home. This episode is on prawn pickle recipe. A very tasty and tangy prawn pickle. I've taken about 1 kg of prawn here. Small prawns are best for this recipe. 1 cup of thick extract of tamarind pulp. Half a cup of garlic and half a cup of finely chopped ginger. Curry leaves, turmeric powder, chili powder, pepper powder, mustard, salt, oil and vinegar. So these are all the ingredients required, and now let's start making. At first take the prawn and add a little turmeric powder, 3 tablespoons of chili powder, pepper powder and a little salt. Now mix this all together and marinate this for about 10 minutes. Take about 5 tablespoons of oil in a pan, and I'm going to fry up the marinated prawns in 2 batches. Half fry the prawns, it will do. So my first batch is ready. Repeat this for the second batch also. Now the prawns are halfway cooked. The second batch is also ready now. Transfer this to a plate and keep this aside. The same oil, add some mustard seeds, then add garlic, and the finely chopped ginger, add in curry leaves and roast everything together until the garlic and ginger are cooked. Add some more salt and add the tamarind pulp. Adjust with a half cup of water. Mix everything well. Now add about 1.5 tablespoon of vinegar. The tamarind and vinegar will prevent the prawn from getting spoiled and allows the pickle to stay long. Add in the fried prawn pieces and let it cook in the tamarind pulp. Cook until the oil separates, as you see here. So now the oil has come out well. and the prawns are also cooked well. And our tasty and tangy prawn pickle is ready now. Hope you'll give this recipe out a try and let me know your comments and reviews in the comment section box below. This recipe is great for people who are staying at hostel. Please like and share the episode. Thanks for watching House to Home.